Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Kicking off this morning with a vacuum with the cord. Actually, it might be a shampooer. We found ourselves a swing chair last night on the way to the store. Actually, on the way to dropping off the second wash machine to our wash machine guy. And then we went to the store, and then we found this. We have some broken down fans parts. We have some parts that we forgot to, actually we didn't forget. We tried to turn it as breakage, but he said it had too much steel on it. So it needs to go to shred, so some of the stuff got rejected. So it's going to the pile today. We got a beautiful day this morning. It was frigid this morning. And when I say frigid, Florida frigid. It was 38 degrees when I woke up this morning. Got everybody bundled up and off to school. It's quickly warming up. I mean, I'm surprised it's warming up because there's not a cloud in the sky, so there's nothing holding any of the heat in. But it is, we're up to the low 40s already, which is kind of a nice change. So it's definitely cold for Florida, but it's way better than it is up north right now. I know that most of them are getting pretty blasted. So no snow yet. So we're hoping to fill her up again today. That's what our goal is at the end of each day. We'll see how we do. We'll see what the streets will give. Ah, likey. Got ourselves some extruded aluminum this morning. I want to say this was a house we stopped by last week too. They must be doing some rolls. And these ones already have the glass off of them. So we're going to check the other ones here. See how many screws they are. If I can leave the glass behind, that'd be great. It's one less thing I have to figure out how to get rid of. It's gonna be 4. Well, we might be able to do it. Let's give her a 1-2 college try. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's always nicer to leave stuff behind that doesn't benefit you. And glass doesn't benefit anybody. Guess what I just remembered too? I did not change the battery in my drill. So watch, I'm gonna get about 1 screw into this and it's gonna die. It was like, Matt, you always making things so hard on yourself. I'm like, no, I know. What are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Don't strip on me. That one doesn't want to come out. Hopefully we can get away with leaving that one in and getting the other ones out. Okay, this will give us our tester. Put these in. I'll put these right here for a second. Oh yes, it is going to come off like that. Beautiful. Ooh, do a little dance there. Take that. Mr. Glassy Glass can stay. Ooh, I forgot a piece. I forgot a piece. Why aren't you coming off? Why are you so strong? Why are you so strong? All right. Ah, come on. Dude, that's the same one that stripped last time. I think it's the soap scum. It gives it extra power. We actually only need to get 2. Those are the 2 we need right there. Let's get my other 2 screws over here before I forget them. All right. Come on, there we go. Now that's what you call working smarter. Oosh. Now I'm taking up very little space. You know what? I forgot the. Oh, I didn't. I already took it off. Put that molding over there. Oosh. Come on, drill. Put you back up here. And we just have this a little bit of metal. Oh, come on, why are you doing? Let's fix that wing over there. And this will go with Friday's turn in. Alrighty, onward. Alright, we got ourselves a vacuum, and then we're gonna slide up to the picking pile. Good morning, Mr. Doge. Another vacuum with another cord. We're gonna have a couple chairs, and God knows what else we might have up there. Hopefully some more goodies. Let's do some sliding. Slide on up to the picking pile. Looks like plastic hangers. Negative. Shortcut. Hiya. I'll take this chair though. Oh, we don't need the bottom of that either, do we? This one's coming off? Nope, that one's not coming off. You metal. That's metal. We'll take her. Little printer, no. 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 What's in the box? Nothing. Well, that wasn't much of a picking pile now, was it? Huh? It looked much heftier than it was. All right. Onward. Got ourselves some more tomato racks. My backyard garden. We're gonna be gardening soon here. Baseball bat. Those were nice big ones too. This will go with aluminum. Got ourselves a stool. Organic dirt. Look at that, that's a brand new bag of organic dirt. I'll take some free dirt. Put our free dirt in here. Put our free dirt in there. Onward! Got ourselves a random chair. They need to work on the fabric on these things. These things are pretty darn sturdy, but the seats and the arms fall apart on them so much faster. You see those chairs and they're like pristine and you spin it around and it looks like garbage. I think someone needs to invent or come up with really nice covers that go on those to extend the life of them. They could probably make millions. And if you're stealing that idea from me, I want to cut. Man, it has been tough today, I tell you. Tough, tough, tough. Well, we'll take this mower for sure. For surezies. I just don't get it, man. We did so well yesterday. Just looking for that one honey hole. The one honey hole can make all the difference. Don't mess up my wire. Don't mess up my tomato racks. You can hold stuff like that. How does that sound? That works. Hey, at least we got something to pick through. When I saw it, I'm like, it doesn't look super great, but at least we got something to pick through. Boxes and boxes and boxes. Boxes and boxes and boxes. And wood. We'll take the snowman. We'll take the snowman. Snowman can come. Let's see what else we got here. I wonder if any of those are worth anything. That's Woody, right? Or that's Woody's horse, right? They got him bagged nicely in here. That's Woody's horse, right? Yeah, Disneyland. You know what? We're gonna take Woody's horse. That's in really nice shape too. We'll take Woody's horse. Let's see if there's anything else. This has still got tags on it. We'll take Mickey Mouse. Anything else good? That's a SeaWorld one, I bet. Yeah. He doesn't look as pretty as the other one. What's this one? He looks well loved. Tie him to the front of the car, Matt. There's a tie beanie. That's a jumbo beanie. Who is this guy? Those guys are tied together. Anything else look cool in here? There's a little moose. I don't know much about plushes, so unless it looks really cool, I'm not taking. What's this guy? I don't know, but it's got tags on it. Tags is a good thing, right? Anything else have tags? This little mouse has tags on it. Where are you from, Mr. Gator? China. That's a negative. Anything else went in here? Alright, most of those guys look well loved. We'll leave the rest of them for anybody else that wants to pick through them. We'll put them right there. We'll take these guys that have tags. In the middle, those look clothy, right? Clothes? Or are these more plushes? I think these things are like stuffed full of plushes. Right? Like humongous plushes. That's an iguana. That's a Disney World iguana. You know how expensive that one probably was? Wow. That's probably a $40 plush at Disneyland. We're not taking that though. We got any metal in here? Those are cat boxes. Negative. Negative, negative, negative. Always check the drawers. Nothing. Wow, that's a big old pile full of plush. Too bad we're not looking for plush. Little bait pick a pile here. Morning. That's PVC. Here's some more. Nothing there. These are clothes. Oh, yeah. Oh, wire. Wire it is. Wow. We are just taking whatever we can find today. What a change. Night day from yesterday, huh? Oh, come on. Where are you at? Scrap. All right, back to the staples. Bed frames and wire shelving. I heard one of the other scrappers say they were able to sell these. Bed frame guy. I need to find me a bed frame guy. Allow me to repurpose these. Makes an extra $1 or two. Oh shit. All right. long. She's far from full, I'll tell you that. Got ourselves an interesting car part here. We've got a trunk. We got a trunk too. I don't know, it doesn't say. My guess is you have a little bit of weight to you. To turn you like this. Put the heavy part down. Alright, let's move. And another bed frame. This one is wing nutted together. Wow, this is a little bed frame, huh? It's a twinsy. So I'm not taking it apart. We don't have that much. If we need to make room, we will. We're just putting it in here for now. I don't know where all the scrappy scrap is today. This is crazy. I know a lot of other people have been struggling. But our weather should not make us struggle like this, I wouldn't think, unless people just have decided not to purge anymore, and I find that hard to believe. I had to check these. I'm not sure if these are pipe or PVC. PVC. Dang it. Well, our consolation prize, in place of edging, might weigh a couple ounces. I think we got some more windows. Oh no, it's a TV that's been taken apart. That's not good. There's no metal left in this. That's glass. They done took the whole TV. At least the juicy parts. I was hoping there was going to be a window that with extruded aluminum along the edge. Fooled yet again. Alrighty. We finally found something. Silverware? No. Oh gosh. That would have been cool if it was full of silverware. Thought for sure that's what that was. Finally getting something. Looks like we have a canopy list pop up. A busted canopy. These things break so much, it's ridiculous, man. At least it's not in a totally jacked up, it's just not connected properly anymore. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We finally got us something. Look at the size of that beast. Got some nice brass fitting here on the side. We got one down here at the bottom. It's probably behind this. Whoa. We're just going over the edge with you, dude. I know everyone's going to yell, Matt, you can't tap like that. Oh, actually, we're just going to go right up here in the front. Alright. We're going to have to flip you upside down so you stand up properly when you get in. Okay. You're going to go there. You're going to be my anchor because you got all that stuff in there. See how these brackets they didn't let me turn in yesterday? I was like, where'd that come from? That Santa Claus scarf. I'm going to turn you upside down so you stand properly. Oh, gosh, that's heavy. Oh, bear hug. Okay. All right, you ready? Let's get her lined up better. Whew. Think strong. Ready? 3, 2, 1, from the hips. Bang. There we go. Come on, all the way. All right. We're in. This chair's gonna hold you on this side. Whoosh! And that's gonna hold you over here. Yeah, you're not going no place. You have to be safe. Woo! Put some straps on you. And I'll be back next stop. Alrighty. We got a couple of morsels. We got our water tank tied down. I was hoping this was going to be a ceiling fan. This actually might be brass though. That would be a nice score if it was brass. And a little grocery cart. Wouldn't call us full, but I wouldn't call us pathetic anymore either. That water heater is going to come in really nice because she was heavy. Let's keep plugging along because we still got room to run. Not a home run, but a battery. That's a $5 to $10 bill depending on where you turn it in. I found out you can turn these in at O'Reilly and get a $10 credit towards whatever. So if you have tools or need some auto supplies, you can get 10 bucks back at O'Reilly. Or at my yard, I can turn it in for $5. So I can double my money if I need something from O'Reilly. The other yard that I have pays 8 cents a pound, and those big ones were like 55 pounds. That one's probably more like 20 or 30, so it probably is just a couple of bucks. So my $5 battery is the best deal for cash or O'Reilly's if I want to extend that cash, but I need to have something as well. So enough muttering, let's find some scrap. All right, are there going to be speakers here? And there are. These connections, it's a little woody, but they don't mind at my yard, so we'll take it. Add a speaker to the pile. And a bunch of dog hair too. Onward. I think it should be plastic, right? Oh, it's just gray. I'm like, it should be plastic. Yeah, you're just plastic. Oh, done my food again. We struggling today. Alrighty guys. I had some people saying they wanted to see some offloading action, and I've been bad about that. So I decided today I would do the offloading action. We had to stop filming because we were almost out of battery. So since then we picked up some stuff. We picked up some TVs. We did pick up a washer and dryer. Or not a washer and dryer, a dryer. That we've already dropped off at our washer and dryer guy. And look what we have here for the washer and dryer this time, a dolly. So we're learning. Slowly but surely. So, the yard's kind of moist today. I didn't check these. These definitely are stale with this job. We want these Christmas lights. How did you go? Oh, this is what they came on. That was the decoration. Okay, we need to find ourselves. What's a jacket? Hoo-yah! We need some clippers. We need some clippers. Whoosh. I hope I don't gotta move. Where'd I put that thing? There it goes. Did not do the best back it in here today. Little car being dropped off here. That's fun stuff right there. I've got my own piece of car to drop off today. We're almost to it. Great bite me to not. Oh yeah. Here's my piece of car. Brass. See this cable that I found? Look at the size of that cable. Wish I found the rest of it. My piece of car. Not quite as nice as his, but see, now it's two cars. I'll take the weight. Perfectly. Or at least it did. Extruded stang. Extruded stang. Ooh. See that? What is that? Should probably be aluminum, I bet. It is. Not gonna mess with it though. I got more untying to do. Let's see what's on the inside. That definitely looked brassy. Not the way that's stuck though. Whew. See, there's a steel rod running up through here, maybe. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. Let's figure out what it is. Are you brass? No. Oh man, I was hoping that was gonna be brass. Oh, here's one right here. Just son of a bitch. It is brass. That magnet's just too strong. Where'd that lamp go? These pieces are brass. The end pieces are not. Let's see if that one is. That's the bottom. No. That's steel. So it's just this part is brass. What? Come on. Okay, is this brass? Yeah, so actually it's probably aluminum, as light as it is. Oosh. Come on. That's a nice cord right there. Whew. Let's get our pop wrench. Where are you? There you are. On the top here or not? No, those are steel. Ooh. See that lizard living? Yeah. You don't want to live in the junkyard, dude. Ugh. Whew. Workout. Ooh, more brass. More brassy brass. Thought that, I'm thinking of the one from yesterday. Thought this one was plastic. Come on, baby. Here we go. Whew. Okay. Helps you out your cutters, dude. I know. I thought I was strong enough. Okay. Look at that cord. Whoa. I caught on my glove. Look at that. Hello. Guess it's time for a new pair of gloves. Not stainless. That's aluminum. That's a battery. That's aluminum. This is breakage. These are tomato stands. Extruded. Garbage can. Alright. How many screws hold this mower in? Too many. That's the answer. Too many. Too many. You aluminum. You are. We gotta get rid of this pole. Turn on my Christmas lights. I don't need it. Come on. There we go. You can go. You're staying. You're going. You're coming over here. You're driving out the back. Everybody back up in here. Let's get these a good yank and see if this can be stripped relatively easily. So we'll take these, I guess. Get another pound out of it. Come on. Maybe not. Alright, why does this one give me a hard time? There we go. Making cubes! Here, add it to the cubes. Alright, let's see what she weighs. And what she pays. Oh no, my label's coming off. I'll be back with a wrap up. Alrighty guys, we are checked out and another good day, man. We had 1,000 pounds on the button of tin for 70 bucks. Computer or the Christmas tree lights, 8 pounds for 224. We had that one battery that I know I can turn into a Riley for 10 bucks, but I'll take the $5 bill and I'll walk home with it. I'm happy about that. Light iron, what was light iron? Light iron was a tennis racket that we forgot to turn in yesterday. Was some more of those knobs that most of the brackets were door brackets that he said had to go steels, but there was a handful of knobs still in there. So that, and there was one other thing. What was the one other thing? The tennis racket. Oh, like that one thing we picked up at the Garfield stop yesterday that, again, we forgot to turn in. 8 pounds total, 30 cents a pound for $2.40. So our total at the yard was $79.64. And we did get that one dryer that we dropped off to our washer and dryer guy, $20 bill. So that's $79.84 plus 20. We'll just call it $100 to make it even. That's what we're shooting for the day. So while we struggled at the beginning with it being light, we did pick up that one spot where I picked up the stand-up paddleboard last week. Had a ton more. I think that the people bought that house and they're just dumping everything out. They're just trying to, I think, flip the house or move in or something. But basically it looks like the house was left with everything in it and they're just taking it and putting it in the curbside. So that paddleboard was a great pickup this week. This week there was nothing to write home about and there was no metal. So that one little loop is where we did really well last week, and we did really good again this week. So I'm hoping it continues to pay off week after week. It could be my little hidden stash back there. I was pretty happy about that. So I hope you enjoyed the yard view. I know that we missed some of the street because I wanted to make sure that I gave you some pictures at the yard. I'm trying to do a balance here, trying to get feedback from you guys on what you enjoy watching. If there's one you prefer versus the other, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, consider subscribing. And heck, share it with a friend. Love to have more people come in here and have more people to talk to on a daily basis. Remember, it's nacho stuff, but that does not mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So, until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then.